1 year ago, if somebody told me that you will travel to Ardabil alone, I wouldn't believe that.
So, while we were crossing Heiran on our bus, something interesting happened. My tour leader asked me to come to the front of the bus to get a better view for filming. Honestly, it was pretty scary because sitting at the front of the bus, you really feel how dangerous the road is. Heiran is known for being a challenging route with lots of ups and downs, sharp turns, and steep drops. It's actually considered one of the most dangerous roads to drive on. I could see the road twisting and turning, and it felt like we were so close to the edge at times. But I have to admit, the view was totally worth it. Even it was a bit nerve-wracking. It's one of those moments where you are half terrified but also completely amazed by how beautiful everything is.
Now we are at Heiran and we are about to get on telecabin and telesiege, and the ticket price for everyone is 150 tomans, which is about $2. And when you get on this telecabin, you can see the Fandglo jungles, and it has a really amazing and beautiful scenery. So let's see what's waiting for us. چرا واقعا؟
خب می‌خواستی 2-3 نفر دیگه هم با ما بیان. آدم ناجور شد.
One time where I'm like very aggressive. That's it.
Hi guys, I left my group and friends to see an amazing scene which I heard about. If I climb in this mountain up for 5 minutes or so, I can see a beautiful scenery of Fandglo jungles from thanks for the heavy breathing. I was running before I start taking this film, and I think this scene is really beautiful. Let's go. You can see this beautiful place just by going to Ardabil and Heiran. One year ago, if somebody told me that you will travel to Ardabil alone and climb a see a scenery all alone and by yourself when you're traveling alone. I wouldn't believe that. But now I'm here. Of course, it's a little scary for me because nobody is up here, despite of the down area, which they were really crowded and there were a lot of people. But because this place requires mountain climbing and a long walking, no, I can't see anybody here, and it really creeps me out. But it's really beautiful. I don't want to go down there.
ما علیکم این حرفا اومدیم گردن حیران. تلکاوی واقعا جاتون خالی، بهترین نقطه ایران از نظر من.
تشکر. Adrian is one of my friends.
کدوم کوه رو گفتی؟ نه آخه
آره.
ببخشید بالشتر چنده؟ 190.
آره چقدر بامزه است. اینا آره قشنگن خیلی. Guys, we are about to visit Fandglu jungles and it's really hot here. I didn't expect that, and it's almost noon. It's 2 p.m. In this jungle, there are lots of farmers who sell, I don't know, fandog, what fandog means in English, but they are selling fandog. As I'm traveling alone, there's no one that could take some movies and pictures from me. There are some of my friends in this tour, but I can't, I'm not really comfortable with ask them continuously, could you take a picture of me or could you take a movie of me? And that's why all of my videos are selfie. So forgive me for that. This place is supposed to be foggy and we were supposed to see some fogs and it's supposed to be cooler than that, but you can see the sun is shining brightly and it's hot, and I don't know what did I do that I always travel to places that they are supposed to be foggy, and I love cloudy days and cloudy weather, and I decided to come to Ardabil to see and enjoy some cloudy weather and something like that. But I think I've been cursed or I've been jinxed